Hey guys, I'm going to show you a really cheap, easy, quick way to build a border around your garden. As you can see, my dog likes to dig and she hasn't quite realized that this spot is not for her. So these poor plants are in distress and we have to figure out how to save them. I got these two 8-foot poles from Home Depot. They're only $8 a piece. I like to use my electric chainsaw for smaller projects, and here I'm just cutting them right in half for my 4x4 garden bed. And then this is the fun part. It's so simple. For $16, I'm making my garden bed look so much prettier. I'm helping keep the soil in place for when there's rain or when I'm watering. And also, the dog won't be able to just walk up and dig out the sides, which is what my dog did today. So I'm digging out like this kind of little trench so that the log will be set in place, and then I'm pushing the rocks up against it to help set it in place. So if you don't have rocks to set up against your log, just make sure your trench is deep enough to where the log's not going to roll away in wind or with the rain. And then this is the end result. Hopefully I'll be able to set some boundaries for my dog and it'll be easier to teach her no, and it just looks way better. Follow me on Instagram at Gypsy's Healing Herbs if you want quick tips like this. It probably took me no more than 20 minutes to complete this today. Good luck, guys.